we're solving uglier stuff. So first what we're going to want to do is combine things. Now when we combine stuff, I can combine numbers with numbers and I can combine x's with x's. Now x's or n's or whatever your variable is, it's just a number, we just don't know what it is. But we can do all the same math stuff with it. So just remember, x's with x's, numbers with numbers. After we've combined what we can, then we're going to do the same thing we did on the two-step equations. So you'll do the add subtract stuff, and then you'll do the multiply divide stuff. Alright, so on this one, I've got p's here and p's here, but this number and this number, they're on different sides. So I can combine my p's. If I have 6 p's and I take away 3 of them, 6 minus 3, I have 3 p's left. This comes down because I didn't do anything with it. The equals comes down, my 16 comes down. Now I'm going to do my add and subtract stuff. I'm subtracting 2, so what I'm going to do is do the opposite and add 2 and add 2. My 3p comes down. My 2's cancel out, my equals comes down, 16 plus 2, 18. Now I'm going to do my multiply divide stuff. This is 3 times p, so I'm going to do the opposite and divide and divide. Those are gone, my p comes down, my equals comes down, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now for this one, I've got a's on the same side. So I've got negative 2a and positive 1a. Negative 2 and 1. So my negative 23 comes down. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1a. And my minus 10 comes down. Now I'm going to do my add subtract stuff. I'm subtracting 10, so I want to add 10 here and add 10 here. So negative 23 and 10 is negative 13. My equals comes down, my negative 1a comes down. Now negative 1, I could multiply everything by negative 1 or divide everything by negative 1 just to stay with the same theme. We'll divide, but either one actually does the same thing. My negatives here cancel, so 13 equals